How's it going, YouTube? Spec M Auto is back with a quick video. I know it's been a while since I posted anything. I've been really busy with work. I just recently started a new job and trying to catch up on bills, trying to catch up on all this stuff that I've been falling behind due to this whole pandemic issue that we've been going through for the last couple months. But today I'm going to give you guys a really quick video. I got this little Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. So this is like a tryout kind of video. I'm gonna test it out and see if it works, because I got this part here that I can use that stuff on. So I'll show you guys this real quick. Alright, so on a lot of these 8th generation Honda Civics, there's this cowl that goes right under the windshield wipers. As you can see, it's all faded. It's like light gray. It's supposed to be black. Like if you look down in there, you can tell it's supposed to be black, and then it fades. So I'll show you guys this real quick. Show you guys how messed up it is. Including right here. Get a good look at it. Alright, I'm going to test this out, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, so looking at the instructions, show you guys real quick. Shake well for best results. Apply to a terry cloth or an applicator pad, which I have an applicator pad there. Then use it on the desired area, which would be this. Then you would just wipe the excess off with the clean terry towel I got here. It says for really neglected areas, which I'm assuming this is. 2 to 3 applications, so you don't want to use it on anything that's not black plastic, I guess. So here goes. Pop this bad boy open. Apply a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh. Alright. I'll just pick a little spot here to try, so let's try it right around here. I could see a slight difference. Alright, let's take our cloth here and wipe it. Alright guys, so already I see a slight difference. So here's the area that I did versus not done. So yeah, it's probably going to take a few rounds of that. I'll get back to you guys here in a minute, and I'll show you guys the result as I keep going with it. Alright, so far I did about 3 rounds of applicating this stuff onto this surface, and it actually seems to be working. Look at this. I didn't even do the top parts yet, so I'll show you. Here's what I got so far versus what I haven't touched. Show you guys the other side. You can tell a huge difference between this and that. You can see the line where, right there where it splits from where I haven't touched to where I worked. So it seems like it works. For how long, I don't know. This is my first time ever using this product, so I'm thinking later down the line I'll post an update video on this and let you guys know how it holds up. I'm obviously going to show you guys the top part when it's finished too, but I got to put the hood down and raise the wiper arms for that. See, if you come on the back of this, you can see the top part's done, but the inside hasn't been touched yet, so that'll go ahead and get worked now. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I'll show you guys the final result after about 2 to 3 rounds. Applying this to the whole thing. It looks 1.5 million times better. If you look down there, you can still see one little tiny faded spot that I couldn't reach. I just don't feel like taking the whole wiper arms off, so I just worked around them. But yeah, here's the new and improved cowl. See, I even did the inside up here, and it looks 1 million times better. I was a little curious, and I tried to do these strips too, which were also faded. It didn't help as much on these, but I figured why not just try it. I also tried it on these pillars because the paint and all that this came with just all faded and it peeled and it just looks disgusting. But it obviously didn't do much for this, so I'm just gonna eventually refinish the whole thing with naked new paint or something. But yeah, show you guys that. Looks a lot better. I also took the time to do like a cheap headlight restoration, and I also buffed, cut, and waxed the bumper too. Both headlights and front bumper I used Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax on, so it does look really shiny, looks nice, and it'll beat up really nice in the rain too, and it'll also protect the headlight lenses for a good while. I didn't film the headlight restoration today because I already have a video on my channel doing the headlight restoration on my other Civic parked down the street. So if you guys want to see that, I could probably just drop the link down below and you guys can go in the description, find it, and watch it. Just like everything else, Meguiar's, I do recommend this, at least for now. Later down the road, probably in a couple months or so, maybe in 6 months down the road, I'll come back and do a longer term review and see how well it's held up. Alrighty guys, so that'll end today's video. I hope you guys like the content and stuff. I know I'm a little just tired today. It's hot. I've been running around all week. I ran around all yesterday. Today I spent the whole day doing stuff with my car. Today was supposed to be my do nothing day, but knowing me, I just like to go outside and do stuff outside, so I guess at this point now it can be my lazy day. At least I can say I accomplished something today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page at SpecM Auto, and Instagram, which is also SpecM Auto. Yeah guys, it's been fun, it's been real. Catch you all next time.